Founders Guard Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how many entrepreneurs overpay for business perks they barely use. Founders Guard promises elite benefits without elite status, but is it worth it in 2025? Founders Guard is a membership program offering travel perks, business discounts, and lifestyle benefits aimed at founders and professionals. Members gain access to hotel upgrades, airline status matches, and savings on business tools. The surprising truth is how quickly value can add up. A single hotel upgrade or flight benefit can offset the annual fee. Discounts on software, parking spaces, and shipping services are especially useful for small business owners. Another advantage is exclusivity. While it's not technically invite-only anymore, Founders Guard still maintains a curated feel, which appeals to networking-focused professionals. However, most people get this wrong by joining without checking usage. If you don't travel often or run a business, many perks may go unused. Some benefits also depend on availability and location. In conclusion, Founders Guard is best for frequent travelers and active entrepreneurs. If you strategically use the perks, it can deliver strong value in 2025. If not, it may feel underwhelming.